hard to see, but there's my dry cell.
Bubbling up.
Bubbling, producing the
Going for that.
hydrogen. I got a plastic cover over the top just in case.
Check the respirator.
You got the production of gas going in there. I don't know if you see the bubbles working. Here's my flash arrestor. I loop the hose around just in case it'll catch any extra moisture coming through. But we're gonna. You got your lighter on you?
Pocketed it.
Did I?
Yeah. Here is the flash respirator test. And proof that we are creating hydrogen gas. And you're pointing it right at me. Very nice. Good job. And that is the first running of this dry cell unit in the Jeep.